Hello everyone, we are at the LexTalk World Conference Day 1 and here with us is Mr. N.K Bhatnagar, Managing Partner at NKB Legal, who's also our prominent sponsor. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're having a good time over here.
Yes, thank you.
So we heard you on the topic dispute resolution in the age of technology. So could you share some limelights upon how the rise of ADR and ODR methods are the new trend now?
It was a good session. In addition to ADR and ODR, we exchanged a lot of insights about how technology is an adaptive use of technology is enhancing the dispute resolution process, not only in conventional litigation but also in non-conventional methodologies, which includes alternative dispute resolution mechanism, arbitration, conciliation and all other things. So it was a very good session.
So you also mentioned how COVID was a blessing in disguise for the Indian litigation system.
Yes.
So could you please elaborate?
Yeah, in fact, that is something which was actually a blessing in disguise. We had never expected how well the Indian courts would adapt to the system. When the pandemic paved in, everybody was wondering what will happen to the legal system. There is already such a huge backlog of cases. Will the system come crashing down? Will the courts come to a standstill, the work come to a halt? But thanks to the guidance and mentorship of the highest courts, which made it essential to ensure that the implementation takes place at grassroots levels, and the way the technology has taken its shape, even the remotest of courts started functioning virtually. The lawyers, initially there was some resistance also, but gradually how even a common lawyer representing any court in any part of the country could log in and address the court. So that is something which everybody has actively participated and made it a success. Today Indian courts are running perfectly on virtual mode. So that is a great achievement
in itself,
for the Indian legal system.
You also used a word called paperless law office.
Yes.
Could you please elaborate that as well for your viewers?
See, gradually as technology is tipping in, we are depending more on the electronic gadgets. Even judges in the highest courts today are encouraging the use of technology and tablets, gadgets while addressing the courts. So there is no need of carrying a bulky bundle of files, opening it there, tying, untying, referencing to a particular set of paper from amongst 1,000 documents. You can straight away have your file bookmarked, go to the relevant annexure, and the kind of time it saves in locating that particular annexure and the kind of energy it saves, that is tremendous. So the way all these things have taken place,